So free tayo today. And then marami nang nangyari guys. Ayan. Nag part time ako kaninang umaga. Tapos 12 o'clock nagpunta ako ng dentist. And now is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And today's vlog is we're going to Amsterdam. We're going to Arena. Manood tayo ng we're going to watch soccer qualification ng World Cup.
Yep.
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Like that?
Yep.
Yeah, so it's our first time to watch live. At first time ko din punta ng Arena, guys.
Not mine,
Ayan,
live.
ang ganda ng panahon, ang ganda ng araw. Pero kanina umulan lang, pero hindi natin alam yung weather dito sa Netherlands. So anyway, nadala natin si Kyle sa Amersfoort, sa school niya, and then Amersfoort to Amsterdam tayo. Nakakasilaw ang So ayan guys. And yeah, catch you up later guys pag nasa Arena na tayo. Ayan. So hindi tayo mag-vlog ng mahabang mahaba. Magpapaano lang siguro ako kung makakapag-video tayo. So anyway, exciting kasi it's my first time to watch live Netherlands BS Litauen. Ayan. Litauen is country. Yeah, it's a country?
No, they not play against other country.
Aha. Another country.
Yeah.
Country of Europe.
Yeah.
Okay. So, stay tuned guys. See you there. And guys, so kasama na natin si Kyle. Hoy. Tsaka si Peter. Hoy. Hoy. So we're still on the way guys. Catch you up mamaya. Ito kaming maaga guys. Anyway, yung nireserve naming parking space is 5:30 pa siya, pero now is 4:34 I think so. So maghanap kami ng pagpapark kami.
It's here.
Saglit. It's already here?
Yeah.
Andito na daw kami. Andito na tayo?
I wanted to park
So we
here.
already here.
Na
So
200
titingin muna kami
meter
ng
rijdt u uw bestemming. De
pagpaparkingan
bestemming
namin
ligt
na
aan de rechterkant.
Oh, there.
pero madodouble pay kami.
But I don't want to go there now.
So ayan guys. So we already here in our destination. Hindi pa tayo sa arena. Where's the arena here? Is we
No, you
gonna
have to walk 500
okay.
meters.
500 meters walk. So how many minutes is that?
Hmm?
Hmm.
Yeah, but I don't want
So
to go
ayan
there.
guys. So we already here.
It's too
So hindi
early.
pa tayo makakapasok sa loob kasi 5:30 yung ating parking time. Nag-reserve na kasi si Peter online para sure na may pagpaparkingan tayo kasi magiging busy dito.
We go straight
Baka
there,
wala
look.
mapagparkingan. Yeah. So na-drive kami ulit over there. Hindi ko lang kung ano yung pinagsasabi ko. Basta. Yun lang yun guys. Stop na tayo sa parking. Ginabi na tayo. So after 1 hour we are here. Mag-automat siya kasi mayroon na tayong reservation dito. Ayan. So we are in finally.
Oh, the common space.
Oh, you can get your own.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, I think you have a number also.
No.
Kami guys. Nahuli ako. Iniwanan ako ng mga the boys ko. Magkakape muna kami dito sa Dawo. Guys,
Because
magkakape
it's
muna
almost
kami.
time, maybe. You can bring it out.
Do you think we're gonna bring it?
You
Take it away?
need this?
I think so. Yan, magkakape
Because
muna
they
kami.
are not long, eh?
Sa video guys. Magkakape muna kami. Honey, cheers. Okay. Honey. Yeah, you know, you're from Holland. Cheers.
There is no coffee.
Kind of. Cheers.
Will coffee. Will coffee.
Una ng OTTD si Kyle guys. Kailangan niyang mag-orange daw. So, si Peter mayroon na. Pero si Kyle gusto daw niyang gayahin si Peter. Which one do you like? Guys. Hey, Messi, yours outfit. Oh, naka-oranya na sila, guys. Yay! Ako lang hindi. Wala. So we're going. No, I don't want it. It's okay. Yeah. Mga Netherlands, very supportive sila. Mamaya tignan natin, dami naka-orange. Maraming mga, naglagay sila ng mga orange sa mga damit nila. Ayan, alam pa dito. Pero hindi ako bibili. Oh, Bilay, you want to buy? Si Peter yan, old na yung suot niya. Dinala niya ngayon. Yeah, you have already. Adik lang sa kakapicture. Ajax daw kasi. Nay. Nitlog? It's not clear, the Ajax. Dito na tayo, guys. Pero dahil maaga kami. Anyway, marami na rin tao. Pero, hindi pa masyado kasi maaga kami. Yeah, so we are here. It's my first time here. Oh, excited? Yeah. Pulat, start the game? 8:15?
No. Yeah, 8:45.
8:45 mag-start. Hoy, we are here na, guys. Hindi siya nakikipag-operate. Yes, guys.
Number 15, Lukas Ilikic. Number 17, Pius Sirvic. And number 18, Vilius Almiras. The coach of Lithuania is Edgaras Jankowski.
Van te maken, denk ik. En ik denk ook dat het publiek dat ook nog vanavond gaat zien. Dat we daarna met een goed gevoel verder gaan. Je bent natuurlijk ook international.
Netherlands. 4-0.